How to make a hammer paper airplane. Step 1. Start with a regular piece of rectangle paper. Step 2. Fold the top right corner to the left edge. Step 3. Now fold the top left corner to the right edge. Step 4. Fold the right edge along the diagonal crease. Step 5. Do the same for the left edge. Step 6. Fold the left half to the right. Step 7. Fold the very top edge down to the bottom edge. In other words, fold the top half down. Step 8. Fold the top two corners to the center of the X crease. Step 9. Fold the top flap up where its edges meet the new creases. Step 10. Fold the left and right diagonal edges to the new creases. Step 11. Fold the top part down. Step 12. Turn the paper over, then fold the left half to the right. Step 13. Make the wings by folding the right edge to the left edge. Do the same thing to the other wing. Step 14. Unfold the wings and you're ready to fly.